Mum, mum, mum. Mum, mum. Hello family, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be making my baby's lunch and I want you to come with me. This is a very quick, easy and affordable food you can make for your little one at home, and again it is healthy. So I'm going to be using 2 ripe plantain. This is called plantain. It's an African food. It is different from banana. So this is called plantain and you can get them in an African store. So I'm just going to be washing them under the tap with warm water, and I'm using this brush. This is just my kitchen brush. I use them for mainly in the kitchen and nothing else for my food, plantain, potatoes, etc. And now that the plantain is thoroughly washed, I'm just going to go ahead and dice them in smaller bits and pieces just like this. And in a boiling water, please put in the ripe washed clean plantain and make sure they are well immersed into the water so that they can cook properly and easily. Cover that and bring that to a real boil, like it's going to cook. As you can see, my plantain is well done. The color has changed. You can see it is purely yellow, and I can dip my fork into it without it being hard, so it can penetrate into the plantain easily. So the plantain should cook well because you know you are giving this to your baby, so it needs to get well done. So I'm just going to cover that, turn off my heat and leave that to cool off completely. So now that this has thoroughly cooled off, I'm just going to go ahead, take off the skin from the plantain just like this. And then I'm going to go on and throw the whole thing into my blender because we're going to be blending this. I love to add flaxseed for my baby, so this is optional if you want, but I would advise you should if you would like more nutrients into your baby's meal. I'm not adding much, just this little would do, like half of a teaspoon, and then I'll add in some cool down boiled water into the blender as well to allow the blending process to be smooth. And now this is well blended. As you can see, it is turned into puree. I love to now store this into a glass bowl. I love to use glass bowl because I mean it's safer, you know, and it is more better in the fridge. So I love this consistency because of a particular reason, which I'm going to still show you in the video, so keep watching why I made my own this thick. So this is what it looks like. Very smooth, easy to make, looks yummy, and my baby loves this food a lot, and I also even enjoy it. So it comes out like a mashed plantain, just where you usually have your mashed potato. So I'll cover that and store that in the fridge until baby is ready to eat. So now that baby is ready to eat, I've dished out some portion and I'm adding water to loosen it up. So this is the reason why I actually made it very thick in the beginning, so that when baby is ready to eat, I would be able to loosen it up with more water and then do not be too runny. So this is the consistency my baby loves. So you have to follow what your baby actually loves. So this is like pure puree. It's not too thick, it is not too runny, so it's just smooth and okay. This is the consistency my baby loves. I'll throw that into the microwave for 30 seconds, 40 seconds, and it's ready for my baby to eat, and she loves it. As you can see, she's opening her mouth wide to enjoy the meal. Now this meal is very healthy for your baby, no preservative added, and I love to just run this for her like 2-3 days each time I make it, so it doesn't stay too long and it's still fresh, you know what I mean. So baby loves the food and she loves eating it, she's enjoying it, and it's really giving her a lot of nutrients, and of course it is healthy. What more to say? So thank you all for joining me. I hope you've learned one thing or two. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Support the family, support my channel. Share this video to your loved ones, to your sister, your auntie, your brother, everyone you know who has a child in the family, so they can learn one thing or two. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye. See you next time. I and my baby loves you all. Mwah. See you next time, guys.